we in frame?
Yes.
What's up, chat? Today is ALEIJAH's birthday and we're vlogging. Yay! Everybody say happy birthday for the birthday girl. We have Riley. Say what's up, Riley.
Hi guys.
And then we have this. And then we have this. What's up, you?
Okay, got the.
Yes, and finally we have our beautiful camera woman. What the fuck? Hey man.
I don't feel like throwing up no more.
I'm sorry. You should be. We're gonna fight.
No, you know what? I'm gonna fight everybody. I fucking hate this group. I'm leaving.
You don't mean that.
I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
Wait, what's the food? I'm her mommy on Roblox.
Yeah, she is.
I can like remove her Roblox privileges.
Yo, you're like hugging me right now.
Yes, we're getting our beautiful. Wait. They're not even gonna get their. That's their intro.
Oh, like a jelly.
The cakes we got last time.
Who wants one? That's great. Me. Hi.
Does anyone want one?
Mama. Wait, I want to sip.
We can share one.
We can share one. Yeah.
The baby.
Stop stroking my thing.
What the fuck? Let's get a move on. Riley, do you want any cake? It's hot as fuck. And Bianca's speed running. Look at her go. It's hot. This is for you, man.
My biggest priority is
Like close by.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you on the list? Where are you? We have made it to main event. ALEIJAH, this is for you, baby cheeks. Come on, let's go. Her short ass stature.
I know.
Alright guys, it's time to bowl. Oh, hello.
I'm in my head. I don't go to the hospital.
Shut up. ALEIJAH, bro. Yeah, girl, that's how you're supposed to do it. You got nothing, man. Whatever you say, Daddy. What? I thought I was your daddy. So how's bowling going, ladies? Oh, how's bowling, Daddy? That's it? That's all you gotta say? You gotta say more?
It's pretty good. I was bowling, Tony. I guess not feeling it.
Oh my god, my hair.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You belong in the zoo with Edgar too.
This is videography.
And you did nothing.
I like it.
taxi, Uber. At least one of them. We gotta take a second home because there's such a big fat fucking party.
Wait, how much do I pay?
See you guys in the pit. What the fuck? Like, I know. I forgot to vlog. Special feature. Special feature. No. Alright guys, we're going to Taco Bell again. We're gonna go eat because we're so fucking fat. Why are they all... Tacos right there. She didn't want to fucking go. Oh wait, this is much. Guys, we are getting ready to... What are we getting ready to?
I'm not gonna be wearing the muscle shirt. Why?
Muscle shirt? You have a muscle shirt? I guess. I'm okay. Alright, we'll scooch down. Hell fucking no. Just twig arms. Okay. Alright. Guys, we're in. Where are we? We're in Big City. Big City. Bro. Ew. Alright, bro. This is my last fucking vlog. I don't give a fuck anymore. I'm tired. Alright, bro. And they say they didn't want to be together on fucking Meat Island. I'm so fucking tired. And Alicia wanted slushies. So we're gonna go fucking get slushies. Daddy's tired. Daddy wants to go home. I did get my first puppy.